everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Days. My name is Melissa, and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. This is part of a 7-part video series that I'm doing, incorporating apple cider vinegar with the mother as the star ingredient. Now, everybody is always asking me, what do I think about apple cider vinegar when it comes to weight loss? Well, here's what I tell them. It stabilizes my blood sugar levels. It goes to work at the inflammation from the mother proteins that you can see floating around in the bottom of the bottle. It goes to work at that inflammation that's been built up inside of my body, and it absolutely helps me to feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time. All of these things are important and necessary when it comes to weight loss. So what I would say about apple cider vinegar is never drink it straight out of the bottle. I've seen people suggest doing that. Be sure to not do that, but start incorporating it into these recipes. Check out the other 6 recipes that I've uploaded. Start to add it into your meal plan and see the results for yourself. Today's recipe is also going to incorporate the apple cider vinegar with the mother and these beautiful long English cucumbers. And I am telling you, this one is easy to whip up. It's a great go-to. It's a great base. And then you can add chicken, salmon, and some other form of protein into it. And you are going to have a great start for your weight loss journey. Maybe you've plateaued. Maybe you're just starting out. So give these recipes a try and let me know what you think of them. If that all sounds good to you, let's go put this one together.
So if you've checked out any of my other videos, you know that I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this page or even take a moment to jot it down quickly. It's so important that you have the exact ingredients so that you can go to the store, pick them up, and make this salad today.
All right, so now that you've made the commitment to yourself to start incorporating all of these delicious apple cider vinegar with the mother recipes into your daily meal plan, let's go ahead and throw this one together, gather up all your ingredients, and let's get started. So to start, we're simply going to dice up our English cucumber. Slice that up. This one is absolutely delicious. It's a great one for when you're having company come over. It's a great one to set out as a side dish for the holidays. And you are reaping all of the weight loss benefits and getting those healthy, nutrient-dense ingredients into your body. So once you have that all diced up, go ahead and just pile it into the bowl. And then we are going to move on to dicing up our 1/4 cup of red onion. So we'll go ahead and dice up the red onion. To me, onion can be a little overpowering in taste, so make it to your liking. If you like a little bit more crunch, a little bit more onion flavoring, go ahead and add a little bit more. But like I said, I think with all the other flavors going on in this salad, we can go ahead and just do the 1/4 cup of the red onion. So great for digestion, great for gut health. And we'll just go ahead and add that in. This salad comes together so quickly. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in 2 medium-sized Roma tomatoes. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love tomatoes. So again, you can play around with the ingredients. This is the amount that I enjoy. I get a few servings out of it. Like I said, if you're making it for a big group or a big party or a family gathering, you're going to have to double or triple the recipe anyways. But this is just getting you a good idea of how these ingredients all come together to make up this beautiful salad. I so hope you guys give this one a try. And once you have the tomato all diced up, go ahead and add that in. You can see the beautiful colors, how they're all coming together. We're going to go ahead and take out our mixing spoon. And we'll start to give that a little bit of a blend. Mix it together. So now is the point where we're going to add in our star ingredient, the apple cider vinegar with the mother. That's what we're focusing on and being intentional in all these recipes. So go ahead and give it a shake. And then add in the 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar with the mother. Drizzle that. And then this adds just a little bit of a tart taste. So go ahead and add in your balsamic vinegar. I do a 1/4 cup of the balsamic vinegar. Just gives it a different flavoring, goes great with Italian dishes. and maybe you want to have a taste of the pasta or a taste of something else, but you can have this be your main course. So flavorful, so delicious. Now, once you've added those components in, go ahead and continue to mix. You can see all of the apple cider vinegar and the balsamic vinegar is getting infused into those vegetables. And this is what I love about all the recipes that I make here at Healthy Days. When I do the research, some things that you wouldn't even think to add in, I'm going to add in paprika along with black pepper, because what I just got done researching is that is going to create a thermic metabolic effect inside of your stomach. So not only are you reaping the benefits of the apple cider vinegar, of all of the nutrient dense ingredients, but we're also creating a thermic effect from the two seasonings of the black pepper with the paprika. So go ahead and add in half a teaspoon, and the smallest amounts of everything do it. That's what I love. Half a teaspoon of the paprika, and it's not overpowering. And then add in some black pepper. And finally, I do an entire tablespoon of the garlic powder, because I absolutely love garlic powder, and it's the way that it helps with my digestive system has been like no other. I love fresh garlic, garlic powder, minced garlic. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing for my husband, but I absolutely love adding garlic powder into my recipes. To me, it gives it so much flavor. And like I said, it's going to work at that digestive health, which is so important to have a healthy digestive system when it comes to weight loss. So mix that all together. And then finally, we're going to get this plated up. Now, normally I would just set this in the refrigerator, but I want to show you guys how I plate it up and serve it with the feta cheese. But at this point, you can cover it, put it into containers, and just let all of the apple cider vinegar and the balsamic vinegar infuse. Let it sit in there for 2 hours. Take it out, set it on the table, serve, and enjoy. All right, so here you can see I have it all dished up, a great serving size. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this with some grilled salmon. I'm going to enjoy this with some steak, with grilled shrimp, grilled chicken, and this is going to be the component that is going to work at my digestive health, at my weight loss, because I've added in the apple cider vinegar with the mother. All of those proteins in the mother, those bacteria proteins, go to work and you reap all the benefits. So let's just sprinkle a little bit of our feta cheese on top. Again, it's optional. To me, I love how it just tastes so like a Mediterranean dish. So 1 to 2 tablespoons of your feta cheese. So there it is, another delicious apple cider vinegar recipe for you to add into your weekly meal plan. I hope you enjoyed this series. I hope you check out all of my apple cider vinegar with the mother recipes, and I hope you will make it a point to start incorporating it into your weekly meal plan. Just try to be intentional, try to raise your awareness of the ingredients that you're putting into your body, and you are going to see incredible weight loss results. I'll see you next time.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching. There you have it, the 7th and final recipe of the apple cider vinegar with the mother series that I wanted to put up for you. You now have 7 recipes that you can start incorporating into your weekly meal plan. That's a new recipe for every single day. So your weight loss journey is never going to get boring. Your gut health is always going to be satisfied, and you're going to see incredible weight loss results. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips. And please, if you know anybody else looking for healthy weight loss tips, go ahead and share my channel with them. I'll see you guys next time.